eat? No, yeah. Once I say dance break.
Stare at the pickle first. Stare at it. Inspect it. Not yet, not yet. Bring it up. Bring it up.
At dance break, start inspecting it. Yes.
Alright, ready, get ready.
Dance break.
Keep it up, keep it up.
Just keep eating. No, just keep eating it. Up here, up here. Don't finish it. Don't finish it. Eat slow.
Look at it a bit.
Yeah.
Smell it. Inspect it.
Lick it. Now bite it. Now lick it. Finish chewing.
Last bite.
I like the last one.
Go.
1 shake.
2 shake. 1 shake. It's got a weird shake.
Oh, what's my salary gonna be? $500 an hour? Oh, $700 an hour. Okay, all right, that sounds great. Yeah, I think we can work with that.
Excuse me.
Hold on, Miss Queen Elizabeth. Yeah.
Do you want to be a cook?
Oh boy, do I! Never mind. I just gotta quit the jabba. Pickle.
Justin, position.
Get position.
No.
Dance break.
That's the Martin Luther dance.
Alright, now do another dance. Change it up, change it up.
Oh, yes.
Stays in one spot.
Serotonin.
What?
Rob's face is back.